Go.
What's up, guys? Me only one by channel.
What's up, guys? It's me, Eric B, and welcome back to the channel. Today, switching it up a little bit for you guys once again, doing a first ride on this 2019 Suzuki DRZ 400 SM. Stay tuned. Man, it is a hot one today. Alright, so I wanted to drink the Kool-Aid a little bit and see what the big rave is about these supermotos. See a lot of guys riding them, see them on the road all the time, watched a lot of videos. I know Cycle Cruiser has one, a couple other guys, but these things actually look pretty awesome. They're essentially a dirt bike with street tires on them. So having the street tires on, it's awesome. You can switch them out, put some dirt tires on them too if you wanted to, but you could basically be a hooligan on this thing and kind of go anywhere. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out on the road, talk about it a little bit, and see how it is. Alright, here we go. This bike feels pretty comfortable so far. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, as far as the ergonomics goes, has a really good upright seating position, high handlebars. They're wide, feel comfortable, just like a dirt bike. The only issue I think with shorter guys, you may have a issue. I think they have a shorter seat that you can get for this to lower it down a little bit, because I'm a tall guy and I am not flat-footing it, but I'm not tiptoeing it. But this does have a tall riding position, so just be aware of that. Alright, so this thing has a single cylinder 398cc engine, pushing out about 39 horsepower and 25 foot-pounds of torque. This does have a 5-speed transmission. This is a lightweight bike, comes in at about 320 pounds, so you can definitely move this thing around pretty easy. No issues there. The brakes on here aren't too bad either, so they definitely sob. You can feel the suspension diving a little bit once you give the brakes a good amount of pressure. It does have a soft suspension just like a dirt bike, so like I said, this thing is ready for the street and for doing some off-road action. Alright, so this bike has a nice big headlight in the front, a nice tail light, and good blinkers as well. So the visibility as far as the lights go are pretty good. Nice big mirrors here on the sides, and then the control layout is pretty simple as well, just like any other bike. The dash is very basic. You don't need a whole lot with something like this anyway. Shows your speed, times, trip meters, and all your other basic functions that you have on a bike, you know, neutral, brights, and turn signals and stuff like that. So very simple, that's all you need. I have not perfected the art of the wheelie, but I'm sure in the right hands this thing would be awesome. And I like the way this thing feels, man. It's not bad. I can see why everybody loves these things. Could I consider this an oversized Grom? No. Alright, and the looks of this bike overall is awesome. I like the dirt bike supermoto look. You know, it's got the street tires on it with the spoked rims. Looks good. So this is my first time on a bike like this. I have ridden the FZ09. Obviously a lot different, way more torque and power. So that thing will wheelie like crazy. Upright seating position, and just tons of fun. Alright, I did forget to mention this bike is carbureted. You can definitely tell by the feel on and off there and the choke and everything. I think it's one of those, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This bike does pretty well with that. But this thing being lightweight and a little over 300 pounds of power delivery isn't too bad. Alright guys, so far there's nothing that I dislike about this bike, but no bike is perfect, obviously. It's just one of those bikes where everything on it is simple, it's fun to clown around with, and it's cheap. This bike is also good for someone just starting out riding. I would definitely recommend this. The throttle's not twitchy, the brakes aren't too bad. It's a very docile, forgiving bike, if you will. Alright, while we're out of here, let's take her on out on the open freeway and see what she looks like top speed. Think this thing will top out above 80? Hey, let's find out. You guys seen it first, hitting 92. I thought I was gonna stop at like 85, 86. Go from on-road to off-road. That's where the fun factor comes into play. Look at that. Suspension just soaks up the jumps there. It wasn't really a jump, but you know what I mean. And then back to street riding again. Alright guys, what do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. If you're looking for this specific Suzuki DRZ, definitely check out Flip My Cycle. They have it, along with plenty of other great bikes to choose from. As always, be sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.